Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Shutterstock contributor dashboard and verifying your identity. This unlocks upload tools. Once done, gather high-resolution JPEG or TIFF files and name them clearly so you avoid confusion later. Make sure you have model or property releases ready for identifiable subjects. Shutterstock requires releases to accept commercial images. You'll also draft concise titles and at least 5-10 targeted keywords now, because tagging during upload speeds, approval, and discoverability. You next click Upload and drag files or select from your folder. Watch the progress bar for errors. Once files are transferred, add specific, search-focused titles and between 5 and 50 keywords separated by commas so Shutterstock's algorithm understands context. Then assign categories and specify languages if requested. Upload any model or property release PDFs to the matching images. Without releases, items may be limited to editorial. Make sure to review each image settings before moving to submission. You submit your batch and immediately monitor the contributor dashboard for processing and review status. If an image is rejected, open the reviewer comments to identify issues. Common reasons include technical quality, incorrect metadata, or missing releases. Then correct the file, metadata, or attach the release and resubmit. Make sure to back up originals and keep a consistent naming convention so you can quickly replace or reupload files. Finally, track performance and tweak keywords over time to improve visibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.